हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक विद अनदर न्यू वीडियो। आई होप आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे। सो इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर अबाउट द टाइप ऑफ मेकअप ब्रशेस विद देयर नेम. So if you are new on my channel, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and do comment me what type of more video you want me to upload. I will definitely make a video upon that. If you are a beginner and you also want to know the type of and the name of the all makeup brushes, then this video is going to be really helpful for you. So watch this video till end. Hope you like it.